Namaste friends, this is Arun. I am from Atlanta, Georgia, from USA. Today I am going to talk about the meditation and energy. What is meditation? Meditation is nothing but just observing yourself, just sit in calm place, observe the natural breath and make yourself into the deep state of emptiness with no thoughts, no past, no future, just live in the present moment with observing the natural breath. When you keep doing this, you'll be able to understand you're gaining some energy. Now, when you gain the energy, as you improve the energy, your level of consciousness increases, your level of inclusiveness increases. The more you gain energy, the more you'll include. What is this inclusiveness? What is this consciousness? Let's try to understand. Level of inclusiveness is in the initial days, you'll only include yourself. You'll only consider you as you, only this body, whatever the mind, whatever the job that we are doing, everything is included within you and you work only for yourself. As you improve the energy, your level of inclusiveness increases. So you'll consider your family as a single unit, your siblings, your mother, your father, and whatever the blood relationships that you have, you are going to include them and you'll be able to serve them, understand them, make some good communication with them. As you improve the energy, your level of inclusiveness increases and you'll consider your relationships, your community, your friends, everything will be included and you'll consider all of them as one single unit. As you improve the energy, your level of consciousness, your level of inclusiveness increases. And let's say you'll consider all the people around you, maybe your state, your country, all those people, you'll include them. You'll feel all they're all mine and we are all one unit. Let's say like one country, one unit, something like that. As you improve the energy, your level of consciousness increases and you'll consider all the human kingdom as one single unit. That's the ultimate, people think that that's the ultimate thing that we can do, and that's their energy level. Because of their energy level, they'll think that this is the highest level of thing. So every time wherever we are, we consider that this is the ultimate thing that we can do and this is a peak that we can achieve. But there is no end to this ultimate stuff. We can have infinity amount of things that we can include. So as you improve the energy, you'll not only consider the human, but you'll consider the animal kingdom, bird kingdom, and the marine kingdom. Everything will be included within you. So you'll consider all of them as one single unit and you consider everything as oneness. We are all living in one planet and we'll consider that as one single unit. That's called level of inclusiveness and level of consciousness. This all comes to you when you raise your energies. As you raise your energies, you'll not only consider this one earth, you'll consider one solar kingdom as one single unit. As you improve the energy, you'll consider the universe as one single unit. That's called, that's what the godliness is all about. So God will never think that he does not have any divisiveness. He don't divide people. He don't divide anything like this is a good guy, so I'm going to consider this as my guy, and this bad guy, I don't consider him as my guy. So it's something like that. So all animals, all living creatures, non-living creatures, on the whole of planet, whole of solar system, whole of creatures everywhere in this universe belongs to the God. So that's called oneness. So if you understand God, you will be able to understand yourself, not only you but around the creatures around you. Thank you, my dear friends. This is what energy is all about.